Okay, so before making our first website, let's take a look at the assets folder which I have provided you. Okay, so I'm gonna open the assets folder, and here you can see some files like images and some folders. So the first folder is the Clearbox Lightbox Gallery. This is a gallery widget and we will use it in the later lectures. And the next folder is the fonts. So this folder contains a font which we will use in the website. And in the images folder there are some images like logo, and here you can see the thumbs and slides. Let's open these folders. Here you can see some images, and if I open the thumbs folder, then you can see the same images are present in this folder. But what is the difference between these images? Let's take an image and watch its properties, and then the details tab, and here you can see the dimensions of the image are 72 into 72 pixels, and the same image is present in the slides folder. Here is that image, and let's watch its properties, and its dimensions are 533 into 800 pixels. So this image is the real image, and in our gallery that this small image will act as a thumb of the real image. When someone click on that thumb, the original image will pop up. If you did not get the point, do not worry, you will understand when we will use this gallery widget in our website. Okay, so here are some images. I'm gonna use these images as background of my website. So here are 4 images. I'll make 4 pages of my website and a separate image for the separate page. Okay, so next is the content file. This is a text file which contains the content of our website. As you can see, it's just the text, and we will use this text in our website. And the next is the formail PHP file. We will use it in the later lectures. Okay, so I'm gonna close this asset as we are making our website from scratch. So I'm gonna create a new blank folder at the desktop, and I'm gonna name it as my first website. Okay, so let's open my first website folder, and here you can see that this folder is empty. So what I'm going to do is to just copy some files from the assets folder to my first website empty folder. Okay, so open up the assets folder, and here you can see the files of the assets folder. I'm gonna copy the fonts, images and the formail files from assets to my first website. Okay, so I'm gonna select the font and then hit the Control key and click on the images to select the multiple files at the same time. I'm gonna click on the formail and then just right click on it and select copy and just paste in our empty folder. Okay, so I'm gonna close this my first website folder, and let's take a look at these images. I want these images to have a same dimension. Let's take a look at this image and take a look at its properties. Its dimensions are 1366 into 768 pixels. Okay, and the dimensions of this image are 1920 into 1277 pixels. So these are not the same. What I'm going to do is to make same the dimensions of the images, and I will edit these images in the next video.